first one in.
That's a good one. That's it.
Yeah, you're gonna hold it. Okay, put that down.
Reel that in.
Put that down.
Set the rod down.
I hurt the arm.
Hurt the arm. It's the baby.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Right hand. Listen to what I say. Right here. Feel that. Just put your finger right there. Feel it. Right there. You hold right there. Now pinch hard.
Even if you
Now
wiggle,
you gotta
just
hold it.
pinch
Now
and
don't.
hold.
Yeah. Do not let go of pinch. Come in closer, babe, so we get a better look at it. Nice. Just a baby. It's a good one though. Okay, throw it in.